Seeing the OpenGL DLL runtime error mid-game. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. This DLL file is a legacy graphics library that implements the Open Graphics Library API. It was used by early 3D applications and games to render vector graphics and manage GPU acceleration before modern DirectX versions took over. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This problem typically points to a missing graphics runtime dependency involving the OpenGL DLL. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime repairs legacy DirectX DLLs, while updating GPU drivers resolves compute-related components. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the OpenGL file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. A critical reminder: modifying the OpenGL DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overriding essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to the OpenGL. If this fix repaired the Windows OS core GPU driver dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.